Hi, my name's Jim. We're going to talk about tips and tools that make your lawn greener through the summer. This moss X. So all the rain we've had is really moss has taken over the yard. So you need to get rid of the moss, and using Scott's Moss X will get rid of that. This bag covers 5,000 square feet, comes in two ways, granular, or you can do it in a hose-in sprayer, which does a great job also. Both these products I would recommend doing first thing part of spring if you have moss in your lawn. All right, so one of the first things we want to do is get your pre-emergence down. A couple of ways you can do that. We can use the Scott's 4-step program, which is going to cover all your products for the whole year. You've got Scott's Step 1 pre-emergent that you put down when the forsythia bush blooms, and that was going to be generally in March. Then you come back 6 weeks later, you do Scott's Step 2, that's going to be your weed control. When you want to put that product down, you want to make sure the lawn's wet so the 2,4-D can stick to the weed leaf and be absorbed into the weed leaf to kill the weeds. So it's real important to make sure that it's wet. You don't want to put it down before rain, but you do want to apply it after the rains come. Then in the summer, you could put down Scott's Step 3. That has iron in it, helps strengthen your grass during the stress of the summer months. And then the Scott's Step 4 is your fall application. You can do that anywhere from October to November for your last application. Going back to Step 1, when you put that down, that product lasts 3 months. So it's going to wear out at the end of May, 1st of June. So you need to come back and put Scott's Crabgrass Weed Preventer to cover you for the month of June, July, and August. Also, Jonathan Green makes a similar product that you can use to put down also. Both these products, and in fact, everything I'm talking about covers 5,000 square feet, which is about the size of an average lawn. These products are excellent. Been selling them for years. Great product. Another thing you'll want to check out is your pH level in your lawn. Jonathan Green makes an excellent line of products to help amend your soil. Start off with the Magical. That would be an excellent thing to raise your pH level. Generally, your soil should be testing around 6.5 to 6.8. If it's very acidic, you're going to use a product to raise the acidity, and this would be one of the products to use. Jonathan Green has also come out with a product called Magical Plus, which helps loosen your soil. So if your soil is compacted, this product is going to help you open the soil up so the nutrients can get to the grass and the grass roots. Also, we've got Love Your Soil. This is not a fertilizer. These are soil amenities. They're going to fix your soil up so the grass can accept the nutrients